That's strange, because that shouldn't affect anything. That's got to be something with the box then.
Negative. I'm gonna keep the $2 grand. Roscoe? Yeah, Roscoe. I'm gone. You going? I'm gone. Where you going? Okay, bye. Don't want to fight. He don't want to fight. He said, pull him off the ring. Take him out.
What's going on there, Thunderbolt? We got a key down? Who's up?
Tonight.
Who's up on that key down, Thunderbolt?
The champ don't want to go. It looks like the champ says it's up to him if he wants to fight.
He'll go if I ask him.
575, we're setting up a fight.
Set it up.
Yo, test 1, 2.
Now you're good, Nichols.
That's that damn box. That's that damn radio. Now this is the $2 grand with the big box on.
No, see, it just cut out. It did the same thing the other one did. It cut off for
The mic.
the audio got shitty and then it came back again. Check your jump.
Yo, I wasn't pressing the mic. There I go video. How that?
That's all right, but it did cut out for it. No, the audio didn't cut out. It sounded like shit for a second.
Yeah, full tell on that. I don't know why I did that. This is $2 grand. She should be nice and clean.
Now it is. Leave it on for a little while. Let's see if it fucks up again.
Got the carrier, but the audio is not coming.
Yeah, Nichols, that's strange, but the radio, just 2 seconds ago, the fucking 2000 did the same thing, but only for not as long a period of time. Maybe about a second or two.
Well, what happened with the $2 grand was I wasn't squeezing the key tight enough. How that sounded right there?
That's fine, it's perfect.
Yeah, I just had to watch up too much on the $2 grand, but the other radio, that's what's happening with the other radio.
And you got the RF powers all the way down, right?
That shit is all the way down. You see I operate this one, I fix it up right away.
10-4, okay.
What's the top operation on the 2000? How many watts it doing?
2,000 keys about, I ain't looking at it right now, but the keys about 7 watts and then swing about 10, 12, something like that. When I got it all the way up, they got wattage controls. I keep it down to about 1.5.
That's probably why. That's probably why. The other one, what's the top on the other one? I guarantee you it's a lot more than that.
Oh yeah, it's a lot more, but I keep that one down too.
Yeah, you might start off down, but once the audio goes, it swings. It's going to swing up there. That's why it sounds like that.
Well, that's just like you putting 100 watts in, then your 100 watts swing to whatever, dead keying 100 and letting it swing. The audio shouldn't do nothing to it.
Hey, Nichols, you got a wattage control online?
Yeah, of course. That's why I always sounding good, Tyrell.
Alright, what was that, just the radio, that, the Saturn, that radio, what was that dead keying at?
I was doing the same thing. I was putting the same thing into the box that I'm putting into it with the $2 grand.
Alright, put that back in line for a second. Let's check that out again.
That shit is crap. I ain't putting it back in line.
Well, I want to see something. Alright, whatever. If you don't feel up to it, fuck it.
I already know what's happening with it.
But that shit was golden the other day. I wonder what the fuck is causing that.
I'm tossing it in the garbage.
Another Red Hook special or somebody else?
No, 45. Everything good, man. That damn criminal, you know who it is, 45. Ain't got nothing to do with Red Hook. What the hell you talking about? My business. Can you give me a right back?
Oh no, I heard you say you're throwing the radio away. I just asked who never mind.
Ain't got nothing to do with him. Stop calling out names that you don't know the flavor of the Kool-Aid.
Well, that's why I said, is it another Red Hook special or somebody else? I was an inquiring mind, but forget I'm even here. I'm going back up to the kitchen.
That's a good idea.
Good evening time, sir. Step back.
Evening time 45.
Hey, Nichols, if you want, I'll grab that and bring it back again. Let him, maybe he missed something. Let him double check that shit.
Yeah, I'll throw that shit in garbage. Take it back, put my sledgehammer to it. Don't give me too many problems.
10-4. Let me know when you're throwing it out, alright?
I'm putting a sledgehammer to it.
Taking a sledgehammer to it? Oh, you can give it to your good friend over here as a gift.
This time picker making me mad. Sledgehammer, this one going.
Well, like I said, if you don't feel like taking a sledgehammer to it, I wouldn't mind. Like I said, though, so I could bring it back out to him, and I'm sure he will, I'm sure he'll, go a little more into detail with it.
I ain't messing with this thing no more. The Smooth Criminal got me from the first time. When I first got it, just too much stuff with this radio. I ain't spending nothing else. I'm gonna get joy out of putting a sledgehammer to it.
10-4, I got you. The Smooth Criminal.
Yeah, you got water from a call him Smooth Criminal.
10-4 is the best radio on the planet, right?
His battery dead.